Well, I'm about to show you some of the blizzard that's going on today. Open up the back door. You can see that it's already pretty deep. This is our backyard. Aaron kind of snowplowed the sidewalk about 2 hours ago and it's already completely covered up again. And it's still snowing. Walk you over to the front yard. See, here's the driveway that Aaron plowed out this morning. Well, a couple hours ago. You can see it snows all the way up to the fence. There's the neighborhood. See the snow blowing off the roofs. Oh my god, it's freezing. But this just kind of gives you an idea how deep it is. There's my little car, roommate's car. Here's the front door. It's a couple inches up the side of the door. Ooh, brr, that's cold. Alright, well, that's the blizzard. You can see it's still in full effect. It's been going on for about 24 hours now. It's not going to hold up until 6 a.m. tomorrow. So, might not even have work in city life tomorrow either. But that's it.